In this lecture, we'll try to understand about the OR operator. So earlier lecture we tried to understand about the AND operator, and this time we are going with the OR operator. Now what is the difference between AND operator and OR operator? Then the concept will be more clear. So in the previous example, there were two conditions, okay, and same number of condition you can use in OR operator also. So basically, whenever you want to have multiple condition, that time you can use AND operator or OR operator. Now when to use AND operator, when to use OR operator, that is the next scenario. See, when I'm using, let's say my situation is I want the gender to be female and country to be China. So both conditions are true. I want, if you try to understand, when both the condition in case of AND operator, what will happen? When both the conditions are true, then only it will return true. But in terms of OR, if any one of the condition is true, any, let's say it is TT, means first condition is true and second condition true, then also it is true. First condition is true, second condition is false, then also it will return true. But still you will not understand, I know very well. But for that we need to understand the example. See, let me try to give the OR example first. Select star from employee, where I'm saying that I want gender, okay, GNDR equals to female, or country equals to China. Let me try to run it. I'm sorry, the semicolon is important here. Let me give that. Control A, Control Enter. So I'm just executing. So what you can see here, I'm saying that gender equals to female and country equals to China. Any one of the condition, if it is getting true, I should get the result. If you see the first result here, gender equals to female, that is coming. But even I can see there are some other records with the bigenders, polygenders, other records are there. So compulsory we are not getting only female. If I want compulsory both the condition to be get true, true means I want this is a compulsory result, I want female candidate only, then I can use AND. So if I use AND, so you can see that only female candidates are coming and only from the China. But if I use OR, it is not compulsory. Any condition is true, that is fine. So any condition means here it is a China, but the gender is bigender. That's okay because one condition is true. If I just go little bit down, I can see here it is a female. Let me scroll it down little bit. Okay, so here you can see in this record the gender is female, so this condition is true, but second condition is false. That's okay, but still I'm getting the result here. Why? Because in OR operator, any one condition needs to be true, that is, and if one condition is getting true, we will get that record as a result. So we can use this AND operator, OR operator, not only with the select, you can use it with the delete statement, update statement. Let's say you want to delete some specific record where the gender is female or country is China, you can use the delete. You can use with the update statement. You want to update all the records from China only where the gender is female, that time also you can use this OR statement. So it's not compulsory that we should use this OR along with the select only. You can use with delete, update. Alright, so this is how you can use, and this is the difference between AND operator and OR operator. Depending on the scenarios we can use that. I hope this is clear. Thank you.